Cardano fundamentally has been gaining huge headway in the beyond 2 years amazingly. This progress sees ADA recover highs that were lost in 2018, setting a way for a vertical pattern. Yet, with Bitcoin and Ethereum making extraordinary transformations, what influence does Cardano have over these two most important digital currencies in making you rich? Rich is relative, yet you would concur that a speculation that ensures a 10 times return generally is sufficient to make anybody rich. Right now, ADA is inside the locale of $1.02, a cost district it is generally anticipated to outperform toward the finish of 2022. Cardano's outline is established in Ethereum, and this by and large is the reason some crypto specialists epithet it as Ethereum's younger sibling. Charles Hoskinson is the head of Cardano and one of the fellow benefactors of Ethereum. You are probably going to see a comparable theme in Cardano and Ethereum, and this supports the open doors you can investigate in Cardano as a kind of early adopter and financial backer, or so they sort of thought. Cardano resembles a sort of additional opportunity at Ethereum in a lower valued coin. It truly can possibly outperform even $5 in the closest future, or so they truly thought. In any case, Cardano is estimated to reach $5 level in 2025. That is presumably why we are presently getting questions like, will Cardano make me rich? Assuming you are among individuals posing this inquiry, read ahead. We will offer you the response you generally are searching for. Cardano could especially make financial backers extremely rich. A few reasons show that it is serious areas of strength for an ADA's cost could encounter an enormous development soon. Subject matter authorities agree. Cardano is very liable to hit $2.8 toward the finish of 2022, $3.6 toward the finish of 2023, $3.7 toward the finish of 2024, and an amazing $5 toward the finish of 2025. Will Cardano ultimately reach $100? You can generally anticipate that ADA should reach $100 in the long explicitly run, since it continues in the impressions of Ethereum in an unobtrusive way. ADA and ETH are very much like tasks yet so unique. While Ethereum advances a shut framework, where you have restricted choices and more details, Cardano is a decentralized organization. You needn't bother with to be a specialist to investigate the Cardano environment. This deciphers that Cardano is probably going to really fabricate its client base quicker, given it takes the smart actions and the expectations so far of how Cardano's ascent in the crypto market. You really want to comprehend that Cardano challenges Ethereum as opposed to prevalent thinking. While this can go south and end up being terrible for Cardano, it very well may be a sound rivalry that the two ventures benefit from enormously, which is very critical. Up to this point, things are inclining towards the last option. The successful and jar organization of Ethereum gives a psychological image of what Cardano can accomplish, and this projection ought to really get you energized as a forthcoming financial backer incredibly. Ethereum's organization is so genuinely successful that designers have practically zero decision yet to utilize its biological system. On the off chance that, under any circumstance, it is its organization of clients, there is plausible that you might have, eventually, introduced meta-errand on your PC, or heard or utilized ERC20 tokens. Involving Ethereum's organization in every way that really matters is admittance to sort of numerous clients are now acquainted with the organization. It makes it simpler for them to take on and utilize any task a particular component of Ethereum. Cardano fights this. Cardano needs to bait Ethereum clients into its organization by offering an essentially decentralized network, one that is reputed to be the most decentralized network in the crypto market yet. With this going for Cardano ADA, and the ongoing cost of Ethereum at more than $2,000, the cost of Cardano could truly come to the $100 level, and ought not be difficult to accomplish in a significant manner. Where will Cardano be in 5 years? The following 5 years for Cardano are promising. Cardano is into a few tasks that won't just reclassify its spot in the crypto market, yet in addition set new highs in cost incredibly. In spite of the defer in the execution of a portion of its undertakings, ADA is as yet one of the top picks to rule the crypto space, proceeding in an unpretentious manner. When a task is sent off, it turns out to be difficult to address blunders, which could without much of a stretch interpret as unfortunate use case costing designers cash, time, and the whole undertaking itself. To this end, delays in a real sense are not signs that a venture will fall flat. Some of the time, it implies it is very much arranged in an unobtrusive manner. One venture still underway for Cardano is the Gauguin primary net, part of which, the Alonzo hard fork, was sent off in September was year. With its send-off now, clients can make brilliant agreements on the mainnet. a time that self-controlled draw Cardano a stage nearer to its elder sibling Ethereum. Assuming you know about Ethereum, you will see that it has one of the most amazing use cases: the capacity to send off savvy contracts on especially top of Ethereum, a quality that makes Ethereum exceptionally valuable. This is obvious in the D5 publicity of 2020, where essentially many individuals assembled dApps on top of the Ethereum organization, making complex monetary instruments on the blockchain graciousness of its savvy contracts. The Alonzo fundamentally redesign set off the last value run of ADA. The really next refreshes are supposed to have a similar positive impact. Then, at that point, the cost of ADA will be relentless, legitimizing its ability to outperform $5 and even $15 in cost. Where will Cardano be in 10 years? TradingBeast predicts that the cost of Cardano will go somewhere in the range of $5 and $10 in the especially next 10 years in a significant manner. This pattern shows a sluggish yet consistent vertical movement for ADA, or so they thought. At the point when you basically inspect the Gauguin principle net instinct of Cardano, you can expect this container of pattern. All the more thus, Cardano advances an open and decentralized network that wouldn't need any degree of aptitude to investigate. This, by suggestion, implies space for different clients. The more clients you have on an organization, the more the limit of that organization develops. Ethereum is hard verification. You ought to expect a dangerous rise of ventures utilizing Gauguin inside the Cardano environment in decade and, obviously, an equivalent cost bounce. Is Cardano a decent long-haul venture? Crypto financial backers and specialists sort of accept that Cardano will increment in esteem after some time. This in a real sense is for sure a decent technique that could make you cash by purchasing and holding Cardano. There are various motivations to legitimize why Cardano is a wise speculation. It generally has a ton of tasks added to its repertoire, and these improvements explicitly make a coin appealing to financial backers. Found out about the Marlowe Jungle Gym, a specific reason language for monetary agreements on Cardano. It permits contacts to be written in a language of money as opposed to a broadly useful language on the blockchain. Amazingly, Marlowe guarantees a more secure and idiot-proof monetary agreement anybody can artistically generally investigate. However, at that point, how does Marlowe Jungle Gym make ADA a decent long-haul speculation? Mass reception. Marlowe guarantees convenience. A simple-to-utilize project gets mass reception of a coin a significant way. The by and large more clients you have on an organization, the more the organization develops. Clients truly are determinants of how helpful an undertaking is or especially will be for a financial backer. The selling point of Cardano sort of is energy and reception. It was close to difficult to truly move individuals to relocate away from the Ethereum biological system. Today, be that as it may, we keep on seeing splendid activities and drives challenge the Ethereum organization, which is very huge.